Hi everyone, welcome back here in this new video tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to use the exact match option of VLOOKUP function. And here I have an example of different item name and their sold unit in different regions. This is the source table. Based on this table, here I need to fill the information of unit sold in south region for the item kiwi here in this cell, and I need to fill this table from this first table by using VLOOKUP, where I have few of the item names and the regions. The region are not same with the source table. It means the position is not same. Here the starting region is east, but here it is north. So in this case we can use the VLOOKUP function exact match to pull the value from this table to this table. So first of all, here in this cell, write the VLOOKUP formula in this way. Press equal to, then type the VLOOKUP function bracket open. In the VLOOKUP function there are four arguments. One is lookup value, the other is table array, third one is column index number, and finally the range lookup. This range lookup is optional. If you don't provide anything here in the range lookup, it will go to approximate match by default, but here we need the exact match, so we need to provide the range lookup also. So the lookup value means what we are going to look up. We are going to look up this kiwi here in this table and we'll get the result of the unit sold. So in the lookup value, click on the kiwi that is given here, then give a comma. Table array means from where we want the result. We want the result from this table, so select this range starting from the first item till the last quantity sold. This is our table array, then give a comma. In the column index number, we have to provide the column position of south because we need the sales of kiwi in south. So here we have to now count the column, that is 1 2 3 4. South is on the fourth column of this table array. So here in the column index number provide 4, then give a comma. And in the range lookup we need to use exact match, so double click on the exact match, then close bracket, press enter, and here you get the result 34. This is the sales of kiwi in south region. If you see in the source table, in the south region the sales of kiwi is 34 unit. So in this way we use the VLOOKUP function here in this cell. Now here in the table V, we have to use the VLOOKUP formula by combining the dollar symbols in the formula, because in this case we need formula in multiple cells. So in case of multiple cells, we have to write a formula here, then we need to copy the same formula for other cells. So in this case, the constant range should be locked by using the dollar symbols. Press is equal to, type the VLOOKUP function, then open the bracket. Here in the lookup value, click on the item name, and here we need to lock the column I, because when we copy this formula to right, this column should remain constant. So here press the F4 key 3 times to lock the column only. Here the dollar symbol is applied before I column, then give a comma. In the table array, select this range as we did earlier here in this first case, and after selecting, press the F4 key one time to lock this whole range, then give a comma. In this column index number, now we need to provide the column index number for north. Here in this case the column index number for north is 1 2 3 4 5. So here put 5, then give a comma, and in the range lookup choose exact match, then close bracket, press enter. Now the result is given as 38. This is the sales of grapes in north, 38 unit. Here in this formula we provided the column index number manually. This column index number will be different for other region. So to make it automatic, we can now put here the column index number for every region here. For north it is 5, for south it is 4, for east it is 2, and for west it is 3. After you write the column index number here, now you can simply give the link of this cell here in the formula by removing this 5 from here, then click on the cell, then lock the row here, because when you copy the formula down, this row now should remain locked. So here press the F4 key 2 times to lock the row only. Now press enter. Now you can go in the fill handle, then drag it to right. Again go here in the fill handle, then drag it to down. And here you see all the results is now calculated by using the VLOOKUP function. So this is the way of using VLOOKUP exact match in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will again meet on next video tutorial.